of the 6 target group areas that the summit brainstorming sessions developed, the local food brainstorming sessions, 3 of them are moving forward with groups that developed as a specific result of the summit. And the other 3 are being carried out successfully, but we deemed that there were more groups and organizations that were already developed whose primary focus were those initiatives, such as year-round food production or distribution, such as City Fresh. They focus on that. So the 3 target areas that we're focusing on are being carried out by 3 groups: a community and incubator kitchen group, a group that focuses on creating an incubator kitchen in Cleveland, Ohio, which is focusing on the marketing aspects of local food, and then 10,000 farmers. So the incubator kitchen group, they are, to date, they have done a few things. They have been meeting bi-monthly. They have developed a clear mission and vision. They're developing a name for themselves, and they have started the phases of researching other incubator kitchens throughout the United States. What they have to do, their immediate next steps, they are going to continue to research other incubator kitchens. Additionally, we've already scheduled a tour of AceNet, which is an incubator kitchen in Athens, Ohio. So there should be about 6 of us going, talking to people there, getting a tour of their facilities, see what we need to implement here. And then after that, the incubator group is going to break off into subgroups and focusing on grant writing, business planning, how can we make this a sustainable operation. So other than that, for Ohio, the marketing entity to date has developed a clear mission and vision. We have created a logo for ourselves, as you can see on my shirt that I have. We created a tagline, which I brought just because I wanted to, but that's our tagline: local food from farm to fork. And
wait, what was it?
Local food from farm to fork. And this was actually displayed at the Fabulous Food Show, which Ohio was donated a booth to, and we gathered information for a mailing list, and we've also, in addition to that, developed a website. It is a brochure online, essentially. And then what we need to do next is continue to develop our mailing list, distribute a survey that we'd like to have filled out so we can try to develop a certification program to reward restaurants for sourcing food locally, and some other stuff too.
So it seems like one of the common challenges is sort of understanding the landscape of existing organizations and projects and taking that inventory. So we started to do some of that mapping within all the different local food groups or the project teams. And then the one thing I'll just touch on, for instance, one of the project ideas that came out of the summit was 10,000 farmers in 10 years. And so obviously there are a number of existing organizations, both nonprofits and existing farmers that need to be involved in that campaign. And so we're in the process of finding, calling together the organizations that have hold stake in those types of ideas and trying to understand how we can sort of align the resources of existing organizations underneath these different banners. The other significant thing that's happened, I think, is that E4S, in collaboration with the local food group from the summit and other local food organizations in the region, has started a monthly network event on local food, and that's our first one was held last Monday, right? Yeah, a week from this last Monday, and we had 130 people there, and actually had presentations from 9 projects in total, but all 3 of the post-summit local food groups. So that's going to be a monthly event, kind of check in on both progress from the summit and other existing local food projects, and try and support that and build that network. So it's a Local Food Cleveland network event, and that's on the first Monday of each month. So that's what we've done so far.
Great. So this is the local food group, both Todd and Peter. So